Everyone, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Good morning. So today I'm making video. Right now I'm walking in the street. It's a village road, and my left side and so much big garden. It's called also forest. It's a jungle, so no problem. So it's a very suitable time. Every morning time after performing salah, then I made lots of video just improve my English, just improve myself. That's why. So today I'm also one message all of my viewers. If you interest improve yourself, improve your anything, you must be practice after Fajr Salah. Can you imagine this environment? Can you imagine this suitable environment and surrounding area? So much good. It's called supercalifragilistic expialidocious. That's why I came here and make video. Sorry, really, there's no doubt on it. Actually, it's a morning time, so much good. So today I will one message every viewers spoken English or any language, any skill, anything. You must be practice more and more. How can you practice? Okay. First of all, for example, English based on tense. Or English is called also tense is another calls mother. Another called mother and model. Model based on father. For example, English completely it's my perspective. I respect all perspective. It's my perspective English based on six tense. Okay, so today I'm not a specific talk to with a specific six tense. Today I will try to describe and tense and model so much important for your communication. I know it's another thing. Lots of item is available, but tense and model so much important. Okay, first of all, how can you practice? Okay, first of all, you have to say, for example, right now, what do I do? I am walking. For example, I walk. It's a present simple tense. Okay, I am walking, and continuous. I am walking. Okay, perfect tense. I have walked. I have been worked for 2 minutes. I have been worked for 3 minutes, and past. I walked. Okay. I was walking. I had walking. I had walked. Okay. And future, I will walk. That's it. So it's silly matter. It's a six tense. Really, if you interest for spoken English, can you imagine? Really, spoken English is so much easy, but you have to practice more and more. For another thing, model. Everybody knows this. Four types of model, also verb. So there is no verb. It's not possible any sentence. Okay, that's why I say model also important. For example, which types of model do you need? Lots of model is available. You have to practice only model phrase and model verb. For example, I am to start to have to has start to like this way. And another thing, I can make video. I could make video. I would make video. Should I make video like this way? Okay, if you help me, then I will help you. Actually, I will try to support each other because within a short time, I will prove and I will show my identity as a teacher. So really, I'm proud of my teacher, and I'm very interested for teaching each other. That's why I have to say I am really proud. That's why I say try to the lesson, try to the teach a student easily. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. Give me your valuable time. So pray for me and pray for us. Every morning you must be make video. It's so much good. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day.